Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that AB is an advertising board perched on a vertical pole BC. Okay, and there are points C and D are on the horizontal level. The length of AB, AD and BD are given as well. Find the angle of elevation of A from D. Well, so this angle of elevation of A from D would be this particular angle here from D. So I'm going to just highlight it here. Which is the same as angle ADC, but if I look closer, now if I know this angle, then with this being a right angle triangle, then I will be able to find angle ADC, which is the same as finding the angle of elevation of A from D, right? And so for this, to find the blue color angle, I realize, they give me 12, 10 and 3 of this blue color triangle. Since they give me 3 sides, each time when we have, this is a special tip, when we are given 3 sides of any triangle, and if we need to find an angle, please apply cosine rule. Okay, so in this case, I am going to apply cosine rule with the angle at BAD. So for part A, step 1. To find angle BAD, I'm actually applying the cosine rule, so it will be the cosine inverse of the 2 sides that make the angle, 3 square plus 12 square minus away my 10 square, divide by 2 times 3 times 12. And this will give me a value of 42.5988 degrees to about 6 significant figure. This is not the final answer, and therefore I will be able to get my angle of elevation of A from D, which is simply 180 degree minus 90 minus my 42.5988 degree (47.4012) 47.4 degrees to 1 decimal place. Alright, now for the angle of elevation B from D, then it will be going back to this, then I will have to find this angle here, BDC. We already have angle ADC, right? So if I have this purple color, angle ADB, purple color, applying cosine rule again, then I just need to minus from angle ADC. So the approach So step 1 for Mr. Tan again. Now for part B, I will be applying cosine rule again, but this time round to find angle ADB. And because the angle change, you will notice Mr. Tan will now start off with 10 square and 12 square. 10 square plus 12 square minus away my 3 square over 2 times 10 times 12. And this will give me a value of 11.716 degree to 5 significant figures. And then my green color angle, which is the angle of elevation, of B from D will be equals to my 47.4012 minusing my purple color angle, and this will give me a value of 35.6852 degrees. This is 6 significant figure, 35.7 degrees, 1 decimal place. Last, find the length of BC. Then it is at this point in time, let's focus on this black color triangle that Mr. Tan has just shaded. And special tip, if it is too complicated, then for part C, this is what Mr. Tan will do. Mr. Tan will sketch out B, C, D out. Then it becomes pretty straightforward because I would have my angle BDC, which is 35.6852 question mark. So with respect to this angle BDC, this will be my hypo, this will be my opposite with Tuakaso. Since we are dealing with a right angle triangle, O and H, yes, we are going to use sine ratio. So sine of this angle 35.6852 degrees is equals to opposite side, which is my BC, dividing by my hypo, and therefore I will be able to get my length BC immediately, multiplying 10 on both sides of this equation. This will give me a value of 5.8333, about 5 significant figures. Final answer 5.83 meter. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video at any point in time, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.